Hi, I'm Mary. I'm the summer intern here at Theatre Pass Marai, and I'm interviewing everyone on the team because I want to get a sense of what your roles entail here. I'm 21 years old, I have long brown hair, and I'm wearing a tank top that has a blue and white pattern on it. So if you could tell us your name, your role, and give us a brief description of your role and what you look like, that would be wonderful. Thanks.
Sure. So my name is Ceridwen Kingstone. I'm the associate producer and patron services at Theatre Pass Marai. I have my long, brown, dirty blonde hair with a black sweatshirt and a small silver necklace on. And I'm just sitting in my living room with my brown couch beside me, very casual like. And a description of my role, I kind of do a lot of things, but the main part is I'm the manager of the front of house, box office, and bar staff at Theatre Pass Marai. So those would be the people that you interact the most with when you come see a show at the theater. And then I also work in the office, kind of in a lot of different things, but any place that maybe a patron would use or experience at the theater, I kind of have a say in. So the theater, the website, maybe some of the marketing, stuff like that.
Oh, cool. Okay. So your first question is, why is patron feedback so important?
Yeah, patron feedback is really important, especially at a theater like TPM, where our seasons change so much season after season. And so it's important for us to know if the changes that we're making are working, especially because we make shows for particular communities. Every show is different. And so it's important for us to reach out to those communities to see if the things that we're doing are beneficial, are working, are exciting, or if there's stuff that we need to improve on, or if the things that we're doing are great. So then we'll know, okay, great, we'll keep on doing that. Or if there's some room for improvement. Like I said, we're changing every single season. So TPM is really open to adapting and changing with the time and the particular community that we're trying to engage and interact with. Especially for any of our access performances, we tend to have little feedback forms in the actual program, because that's one place that is actually changing almost every single show, because it needs to adapt to what the artists need and what the public and the audience needs. So those are things that are really important that we hear back and know, so that we can change and we can adapt in ways that serve the community better.
Oh, okay, great. Cool, thank you. And what does it mean to you to work in patron services?
To me, it's a pretty self-explanatory title in the essence of patron services. I am servicing the patrons. So that's a pretty like basic description. But then to me, what it actually is I see myself as the in-between between the public and the company. And I try to have that flow of communication and have that flow of service. So in every aspect of my job, I try to see from the perspective of the patron. If I was new to the company, or if I've never seen theater before, how would I experience this? How would I interpret this? Would it be helpful to me? Would it be hard for me? And that's the way that I try to see every aspect of my job. So like I said, even if it's entering into the theater, okay, trying to see how does this work, or purchasing tickets, how is that experience? And I try to just see it from that perspective, which I think is a unique aspect, because so much of the company is focusing on the future. They're focusing on what does next season look like? What does the next show look like? What are rehearsals like? And the bigger picture. And I find it really interesting that my position is a lot about what's right now. What is the current situation? What is happening with the patrons and the public who are inside the theater in this moment, or looking at the website, buying a ticket in this moment. And so I really love that position, to be able to service the individual patrons who are right there. And that's what I see my job as.
Oh, so cool. Thank you so much, Ceridwen, for coming in and having this interview with us. I really appreciate it.